My name is Renee Depew. Maria Madera,
Stephen Tarr,
Sarah Jess Bang,
Michael Lozano,
Maya Rudd,
Jen Bell. I am Charlotte Benjamin, and I volunteer for first Casa de Esperanza Robotics team, and that stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology.
Well, we started the robotics program in 2007, especially, we started with the first FRC program, which is a program for high school students. So that's the program that we started in 2007. And then eventually we had programs for middle school students and elementary students.
The mentor duties are to support the students in a technical capacity, in a mentorship capacity, and some of us also support the team finding sponsorships or doing some type of fundraising. But our main goal is to support the students in a technical capacity and in a mentorship way.
For sure, sometimes kids need help with coding, sometimes they need help with wiring or reading a schematic or interpreting CAD. It's kind of changes from day to day, so I just kind of jump in where I can.
I'm basically showing the kids how to do the preliminary and the fundamentals of building something, whether it be woodwork or machining. I stay out of the electronics and the software at this point, but just the fundamentals of how to put things together with respect to woodworking and metalworking.
I'm a mentor with the team, and my role is to see where the students are, that they support them in what they're interested in learning, where they're at, sort of sense the capacity that they bring, and help our students move along in their desires. A lot of them are here, maybe not because technology is their favorite thing, but because they enjoy learning, or they just enjoy being with their friends. So moving them along that path, whatever it might be, is my goal. And so sometimes that's doing software, sometimes that's doing electronics, it's wiring things, it's using saws and hammers and measuring. It can be so many different things. So my background is civil engineering, but we have software engineers, hardware engineers, electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, non-engineers, the whole gamut of possible volunteers that come to help teach various technical skills to the students, and at least be on hand to answer their questions or to ask questions to get the students to think through their problems. But we all kind of separate out in terms of the different sub-teams that are forming as the students manage their project of pulling this robot together and making it go through all the duties, all the details and requirements of the robotics competition. So we definitely split off into our technical specialties, but also come together and support each other and learn from each other. So there's a lot we learn from each other as mentors, as well as we learn from the students and the people that run these programs for Casa.
Well, I actually did first robotics myself in high school, way back when, as you can imagine, like 5 years ago. So I really love the program, and it's a really big reason that inspired me to become an engineer myself. And so it was important to me to give back and become re-involved myself as I became and getting further along in my career as a junior engineer.
It's also a real privilege to be part of the program, just to be welcomed into this community and be invited into this community, because Michael is amazing, Vanessa is amazing, the families are just fantastic, and just being able to see how that community fits together too is kind of the icing on the cake.
It's amazing how much of a microcosm this project is of the engineering experience, and it's cool to be able to engage with that and to be able to teach the kids as well. I mean, I'm reminding myself and teaching as well.
This program helps close the gap in This program helps those students, those families, that generation to cross that bridge. When a student attains the skills in this program, they usually move on to greater things and get your jobs, and they usually inspire their next generation to do the same thing. So after that, they get out of the system, and they move on to not just themselves, but the next generation to the next level, and therefore helping the community to become a stronger, more economical community as well.